I'm going to be doing some lip swatches on this BUXOM Holographic full-on plumping lip polish, and this is in the shade or color Mariah. This is so beautiful, and if we look on the site, it says Mariah is described as a light pink with pinkish green sparkle top coat. So this retails for about $21. This is the full size, which you get 0.14 ounces. This is made in the USA. Is absolutely beautiful. I have reviewed on my channel my favorite gloss ever, Lip Plumper, and it's also from BUXOM, but as you see, they're very different. One is just beautiful. If you want to see it, I'll leave it at the end of the video so you can see this one, but it smells delicious. I actually got mine at TJ Maxx. I saw it and I was so excited because they had several shades, but the one I was really into was this one, Mariah. So it does come in 8 different colors. It'll tingle a little on the lips because it is supposed to plump, and I've always loved like anything plumping. And the applicator is very different than the regular BUXOM lip cream. This one is like a silicone applicator, so it's perfect, like I said, as a top coat, so it really goes on beautifully on top of lipsticks. I have nothing on my lips right now, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you how it looks like on its own, and then I did pick out just randomly 4 lipsticks, which is a pink, a nude, a red, and this like purpley, and I'm going to put them and show you how this would look on top. We'll try to leave it down below if you're interested in it. Again, they have 8 different colors, and let me just swatch this one first. Just so pretty. So you see, sorry I got burned there, but you see it's a beautiful, like it says on the site, it's a pinkish with green sparkle. And yes, so holographic, depending on like how you move or how the light hits you, it changes the color. So let's go on to the demo and I'll show you what this looks like. And to me, it feels so comfortable on the lips. It's not like the one I have reviewed, like the Too Faced one, the lip injection, which I love, but it's so intense. Like, I literally can't stand it on my lips. It's like, oh my god, my lips are burning. I don't know how much of the plumping effect I see, but I just love the difference. I'm totally a gloss person. I've never tried these. These are so good. And you feel like the minty effect. And it's not sticky at all. It just feels perfect. If you're a gloss fanatic, oh my god, try these. Now I'm just gonna apply this red one from NARS, Cruella. This color does not go at all with the eyes, but so this is what it looks like on top of a red. Oh my god, wow. Oh, you could transform like a matte lipstick into something like this. And you don't have to put it all over the lips. You could just put it in the center. See how it gets dirty like this? But it's so easy to clean. It's just the easiest. Now I am applying this one. It is called Fresh Cut. I think this is drying down to a matte. See, and just to the center. Oh, I think it looks so nice like that too. And it does not disturb the lip color whatsoever. Stay Matte Ink in Poet. We have this one from Stila, is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is one of my favorite formulas ever. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.